for today's Sun DIY, we're not necessarily DIYing like a craft project, but I am gonna attempt to make her look as much like me as possible. And I feel like we share 50% DNA, so I feel like I technically should be able to do this, aside from the fact that I'm not good at makeup at all, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm gonna attempt to do my everyday makeup routine on my mom.
And I'll get to look 32 years younger.
And you can look 32 years younger. I feel like we're already matching shirts, so that's a good start.
That's a start.
That's a start. I was dressed first though.
Are we starting?
Yeah, we're starting.
Okay.
Are you ready? Mom, you gotta use your camera voice. You gotta project.
Okay.
You gotta project to the audience.
Okay.
Project to the pretty little Laurs.
Okay.
Okay, so I got you this really nice cat headband to push all your hair back.
Oh, great.
Here you go. It matches your hair. What do you mean? This is great. I just need your bangs. That's also the other thing that we don't have in common is that she has bangs. So I think we'll both have to just put beanies on.
Oh my
after.
gosh, this is really tight.
I've got a small head. Big brain though. What are you pushing it forward for?
Can I just
No.
take this off as soon as you finish foundation?
That's insulting.
I'm guessing
You look great! Look how cute it is! Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Is Mom DIY in a cat
This is not flattering.
No, it really is. It's super cute. Okay, we're starting. I also did my everyday makeup routine not too long ago in the vlog, so if you want to see all the products that I use, I'll link that down below because this isn't a makeup tutorial. This is a DIY, mom DIY into Laura DIY.
Did you clean the sponges? You did.
Nope! Sanitation! Woo! Yeah, my brushes, oh, one just fell on the floor. We're still gonna use it. So I also feel like you're maybe a little bit darker than me.
Would this be the same as if you were Manny MUA?
This is not the same quality as Manny MUA.
How about James?
No, not James Charles, not Sister James Charles either. Mom DIY on her beauty guru knowledge. This actually is a good match.
I actually feel the bacteria being smeared all over my skin.
It's Laura DIY bacteria though. It's got glitter in it. It's glitter infused bacteria. Oh, putting on makeup on other people is legitimately so hard.
Isn't it just like painting?
You would think that there would be transferable skills here, but there's really not. Wow, you legitimately have very little brow hair. Now I know where I get my lack of brow hair, hence why I got it cut into my face. Oh wait, this is actually a really good foundation for you. Not that I'm putting it on very well, but...
Where are we going after?
To the couch. Oh, left-hand makeup application too. Oh, sorry, was that in your eyeball?
Yes, I almost lost my vision. Did you just put it on my teeth?
No.
I think that Manny would be more gentle.
The only people I ever put makeup on are like you and Alex. How old are you, Mom? 55? 56.
56.
You have great skin. My mom has skin goals for 56. Can you uncrinkle your eyes?
No, those are wrinkles.
Wow, your skin looks good on camera. Like it looks good in person
Yay!
too. You look. All right, here we go. Dirty sponge to the face.
Can I take my headband off?
No, you can't take your headband off. I still have to powder and bronze up there. Are you crazy? Oh, this is really light on you. This beauty blender, I'm not gonna lie, it's very disgusting. I'm very sorry. It's only been used on you, me, and Alex. It's fine. I learned this from the beauty gurus. They do it much better than I do, but it gives your face dimension. I think the left side of your face is gonna be worse because I've applied it with my left hand. This is definitely like the most coverage you've probably ever had on your face.
Probably. I would say that's probably correct.
Wow, I missed a giant spot on your nose. There was like a little crevice on this side that I just couldn't see from the right side. I missed a giant spot.
Are we ready?
For what?
Take off the cat headband.
Okay, honestly, you need to stop being so rude to the cat headband. Do you bronze your face?
No.
What? Why not? Go here, hit it. You really committed to that. Actually, you know what? Manny told me that you don't even actually really have to do this.
Okay. You were just wanting me to
I just
make
wanted
that
to see
fun
your face.
face.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you.
You need some cheekbone action. All the beauty gurus put bronzer up here, so I'm gonna put bronzer
Even
up
though
here.
I have bangs that cover that.
Today you're not having bangs. I want to get your hair in a high ponytail like mine. I want to make you a bun, a top knot.
Do I have sculpted cheekbones?
Yeah, honestly, yes. It's highlighter. Let's make your cheekbones poppin'. Whoa, this is my favorite product. Oh, floor brush, where are you? Ugh.
More bacteria.
Clean. And because I'm too lazy to put eyeshadow on, I usually just put like a little highlighter on the brow bone and a little on the inner corners here. The best part of this look is the cat ears, to be honest. I forgot to account for the fact that you have much darker hair than I do, aka your brow hairs are much darker. And also I didn't realize how little eyebrows you have, no offense.
But I'm getting brown eyebrows.
But you're getting brown eyebrows.
That won't match my hair.
Basically what I'm saying, yeah. I'm a little nervous for this because I'm really working on like a blank canvas here. Oh no, we got it. Oh, this is really hard.
Are you gonna make the other one look the same?
Hang on. Well, eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, not twins. Just like art class. Do you mind if I tweeze? Can I just tweeze one little hair? It'd really help me out a lot.
No.
Okay, all right.
Okay, can I have two?
That looks good. Ooh, this one's good. That's a good brow.
That was singular. Are there two of them?
There are two of them, but I'm just saying like this one is so freaking good. Like the other one's good, but like this one's good.
Are they symmetrical sisters?
I mean,
Are they symmetrical cousins?
They're definitely the same family, like for sure. Okay, so also I had this problem with Alex, but like I only know how to apply lashes and liner for eyes that are exactly my eye shape, and because like I'm only half Asian and you're full Asian, you have a different eye shape with me, so I'm really stressed about this. And
I'm really stressed about this too.
Yeah.
You're not gonna blind me or anything.
I mean, I didn't get insurance for this video, but it wasn't in my nose, it was on my nose. Sanitation is the theme of this video today. Let's go for it. Also, Manny always told me that if something doesn't look good, you just put a giant lash on it and all your problems go away. Don't crinkle your face like that. So we're just gonna put a giant lash on it either way, because I know that'll make it look way better. I'm sure this is also really good form too. It's just like straddling your client. And my entire hand is split. I had this problem with Manny too. So if I feel the need to put my, like rest my hand on your face and just so happens to be over your breathing holes.
Oh, I don't need to do that.
It's not good. That eye's not good. I'm gonna be honest with you. That eye's not good. And we're gonna put a giant lash on it. Yeah, well, not in that direction. But it's gonna fix everything. It's gonna fix all our problems.
There we go.
Have you ever worn a fake lash before, Mom?
Never.
You know, we literally glue them to your face.
I know. How do you get them off?
You just rip them off, and it's the best feeling in the entire world.
Does it take your own eyelashes off?
No, sometimes. These are my good lashes too, just so you know.
Oh dear.
Everything's gonna be totally fine. Wow, this looks good. Yeah, this will be your new everyday makeup look. Oh my
They
God.
feel very heavy.
I think I would have had an easier time with this if I hadn't drinking a coffee right beforehand.
Are they too much?
No, they're not too much. You can never have too much with a lash.
Will they look like Miss Piggy at the end?
Okay, only open this eye. Okay, well, you just open both. They're not on that well, like they're not that close to your lash line.
Don't go out in a windstorm.
Yeah, like you might fly away.
Right.
But like, they're not bad. You're gonna die.
Holy, that's all I can see.
Can you see them?
I can see them.
I kind of like when you can see them.
That is like the oddest sensation.
I can't believe you've lived 56 years without putting a fake lash on. That's an odd sensation. Okay, I think we're done. Like, I don't think I'm gonna do any better than that, to be honest. Do we look similar? Honestly, I might be able to get your top knot so high that I don't even have to pin your bangs
Ow.
back. Sorry.
Ow. And don't quit your day job.
Yeah, I'm really not. This is for the entertainment of the people.
Ow.
Sorry. You got a lot of hair. This is the one thing I didn't get blessed with from your Jesus, a lot of hair. Wow, this is like a giant, giant.
Do I look like Pebbles?
Yes, you look like Pebbles. This is so much hair. It's like a water fountain. I might need a couple hair elastics. Wait, look at me.
Oh, come on.
That is cute. It's cute.
Can I? Oh, come on. It's like a waterfall.
Wait, we legitimately are gonna look so similar. I think it's gonna be really weird.
Maybe you're looking at your future.
This is my future, I know. I actually think your bun is better than my bun, and I'm a little jealous. I also see where I got all my baby hairs from. That's a good bun! We look so similar! This is so weird!
When do I get to look at
This
it?
is so weird!
When do I get to look at
It's so weird! It's so weird! I honestly don't think you're ready for this. Also, I changed my bun to look like your bun, and your bun legitimately looks better than my bun. Okay, do you want to see both of us or just you first?
Just me first.
Okay. You don't like it? You hate it? Look how good your brows look.
I kind of feel a little overdone.
Look how good your brows look though.
Yeah, the brows look great.
Right?
So microblading, here I come.
Yeah, Crystal, my girl, let her know you're coming. Do you hate the lashes?
I hate the lashes.
Okay, then look at us together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We look the exact same! It's so weird! Your brows look better than mine, and you have the good lashes. Let's call Dad.
Yes?
So I did this video where I did Mom's makeup to make her look like me. I don't know if you're ready for this. Here's me.
1,
2, 3.
Oh, smokes.
Look at Mom, open your eyeballs.
Do the eyelashes remind you of Miss Piggy a little bit though?
Isn't it kind of weird?
I like it. I think it looks good.
That's what I said.
What do you think it looks?
She hates it.
The eyelashes weigh about 10 pounds each. Actually, my cheekbones do look good.
I know, I contoured them.
My cheekbones do look good. Goosey Bear loves me with or without this.
Do you think you look like me?
You look like me.
That's true. You did come first. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below how similar we actually look.
Don't say anything mean about Mom DIY, please.
Yeah, oh my god, don't be a hater on Mom DIY. I'll come for you.
No.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. And if you want me to try anyone else's makeup, we've already done Alex. I made Alex look like scary pretty. I know you're so excited to peel these lashes off, so we'll wrap this up. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't seen the last weekly vlog, that'll be linked in the down bar below. Link to the merch will also be there. And I will see you guys on Wednesday for another weekly vlog, and again on Sunday for another Sunday. Bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.